Good morning. It is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. This is DX Today, your daily briefing on the digital transformation landscape. I'm your host. Today, we're tracking a significant shift in global AI safety standards, major enterprise consolidation between Snowflake and OpenAI, and new directives reshaping how the federal government deploys intelligence systems in healthcare. Let's begin.
A landmark report released today charts the accelerating capabilities of general-purpose AI. The 2026 International AI Safety Report, chaired by Yoshua Bengio and involving over 100 experts from 30 nations, highlights that systems in 2025 achieved gold medal performance in the International Mathematical Olympiad and PhD-level science benchmarks. The assessment, which informs upcoming policy summits, underscores emerging risks in autonomous operations and coding, setting the stage for tighter international standards.
Google is applying its computational power to biodiversity, announcing a successful initiative to sequence the genetic data of 13 endangered species. By leveraging AI-driven genomics, the project aims to create a permanent digital record of these animals, providing a crucial resource for future conservation strategies. This move demonstrates the expanding role of artificial intelligence beyond commercial applications, positioning it as a tool for ecological preservation.
Voice synthesis technology took another step forward yesterday as ElevenLabs released ElevenV3. Previously in alpha testing, this latest iteration is now generally available to all users. The update is described as the company's most advanced text-to-speech model to date, promising higher fidelity and nuance. This release is expected to lower the barrier to entry for high-quality audio in content creation, accessibility tools, and virtual assistant interfaces.
Snowflake has solidified a $200 million partnership with OpenAI to integrate advanced intelligence directly into its data cloud. The deal allows enterprise customers to bypass complex infrastructure setups and build AI agents using their existing corporate data. By embedding these capabilities natively, Snowflake aims to accelerate the deployment of business intelligence tools that can reason and generate insights securely within the corporate firewall.
For OpenAI, the collaboration with Snowflake represents a strategic expansion into the enterprise backend. By embedding their frontier models directly into one of the world's largest data platforms, they are effectively removing friction for large-scale corporate adoption. This partnership ensures that OpenAI's technology becomes the engine room for a new generation of scalable business applications, moving beyond chat interfaces into deep data analytics.
Addressing the critical shortage of specialized talent, the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater has introduced a new undergraduate major specifically in artificial intelligence. This program represents a growing trend of academic formalization in the field, moving past general computer science degrees to targeted training in machine learning and ethics. The curriculum is designed to prepare the next generation of specialists needed to support the rapid industrial adoption of these technologies.
New data reveals the Department of Health and Human Services is rapidly implementing the Trump administration's AI directives. The agency has reported a 64% increase in the use of AI tools, particularly for optimizing Medicare Advantage audits. This surge suggests a strategy of using automation to handle complex administrative burdens and streamline operations, even as the department faces broader discussions regarding resource allocation and staffing levels.
Investor sentiment around Meta is shifting, with market analysts like Jim Cramer pointing to artificial intelligence as a primary driver of the company's recent fortunes. The focus has moved from general tech speculation to tangible recognition of AI-driven revenue growth within the social media giant's advertising and engagement engines. This reflects a broader trend where Wall Street is increasingly valuing the successful monetization of AI over mere research potential.
The White House has released a research paper laying the groundwork for what it terms American AI dominance. The document outlines the Trump administration's strategy to accelerate domestic innovation and bolster infrastructure to maintain a lead in the global AI race. The policy framework emphasizes reduced regulatory friction and increased support for high compute initiatives, signaling a competitive stance intended to secure technological supremacy in the coming decade.
Competition in generative media is intensifying as xAI's Grok Imagine claims the top spot in the artificial analysis video arena. The model reportedly outperforms rivals such as Runway Gen 4.5, Kling, and Google's Veo 3.1 in head-to-head comparisons. This development highlights the rapid pace of multimodal evolution, where text-to-video capabilities are becoming a key differentiator for frontier model labs seeking to capture the creative professional market.
Yahoo is re-entering the search conversation with the launch of Scout, a proprietary AI-powered answer engine. Currently in beta for select U.S. users, the tool leverages over 30 years of archival data from across the Yahoo portfolio to provide direct answers rather than just links. This move represents an attempt to challenge dominant search paradigms by diversifying consumer interfaces and capitalizing on legacy data assets.
Apple has completed the acquisition of Israel-based startup QAI in a deal valued at $2 billion. Cited as one of the tech giant's largest recent purchases, the move is expected to significantly bolster Apple's on-device intelligence capabilities. By integrating QAI's technology, Apple aims to enhance privacy-centric processing and local model performance, continuing its strategy of minimizing cloud dependency for core user features. That wraps up our briefing for this Tuesday. As the landscape shifts from research labs to regulatory halls and enterprise boardrooms, we'll be here to track the signal and the noise. For DX Today, stay curious.